Travel with LisaMH, pack my bags, come explore with me. From historic halls to quiet streets, every place has stories to meet. Cemeteries, landmarks, memories, old stone paths and mysteries I follow, wonder wherever I am. Curiosity is my compass.
When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs and disembarking.
Now you can feel the water flow.
According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the Niagara Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And the recent notable rock flow. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end. Located between Rhode Island and Tangarock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder, the Horseshoe Falls name is derived from the recent horseshoe shape. And the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls was 11 kilometers extent. The water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total. But Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world by volume of water flow, at an average of 7. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
You can't even see the flow. I'm on Snapchat. Guys, I'm on Snapchat. Maddie, you know that, right? I'm on Snapchat. Drop something?
Showed how wet we are.
Oh yeah. Well worth it.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Who's the best one? It just looks so peaceful right at the top before it comes over.
Yeah.
Yeah.